Check out this move by Gary David. Ito po yung TM3 niya na pinukol kanina lamang. At sa inyo ng bagong TM Discarte SIM, 30 pesos lang. May bagong discarte ka na. Gary David really wanting to play in his first finals dito sa PBA.
Eh, sinasabi natin about the consistency of Don Ontiveros. Hindi natin nakikita dito sa game. Only 6 points for Ontiveros. And he's not even on the floor. At nakaka-26 points na ang kanyang katapat na si Gary David.
Speaking of Gary David, almost. Mark Fingris back in the ball game. McCaskill also in the ball game. Ito ngayon. Pose ulit ni Daniel Defonso against Erwin Soto. Nawala doon si Erwin Soto pero muntik na nawala rin yung bola kay Danny Ai. Mabuti na lang nandun si Amal McCaskill.
And that's what he needs to that's where he needs to be, close to the basket. Might be able to pick up some easy points because of his height advantage.
Finally, he is in double digits in scoring. That's his 11th point of the ball game. Arwin Santos, high looper. Long rebound to Mike Cortez. Cortez ngayon against Arboleda. Cortez missing on that layup. Good defense there by Arboleda.
Oh, Arboleda really makes you change your shots in midair.
Ito ngayon si Arboleda. Looking for some space. Sana rin ang titira. Oh yes! Naman hindi.
Harap-harapan yun. Good defense on one end. And exploding for a jump shot on the other end.
Here's Siegel. Once again, they post up Danny Ai. Back to Siegel. He goes up. Sayang yung mga layups na yan, for Magnolia. Arboleda again. Looking for some opening. Siya na naman ang titira. Tapos this time. Cortez looking down court. He finds Pingris. Inside they go to Danny Ai. Natapik. Active hands here for Air 21. Double dribbling violation. Call against Danny Siegel.
That's a good call. Nandun yung depensa ng Air 21. They're anticipating all those passes being given by Magnolia.
Homer Se checks back in the ball game. Pinalitan si Erwin Soto. Would have been a short 2 points para kay Gary David. And the veteran Austin Rosella, pinalitan muna si Mike Cortez. Still plenty of time here for Magnolia to catch up with Air 21. Air 21 looking for a commanding 3-1 lead in this best of 7 series. Here's Amal McCaskill. Hook shot, short na naman.
Wala siyang angle.
Saka intimidated talaga siya,
He's finding it very difficult to go strong to the ball. Na-intimidate siya.
Ito si Arwin Santos ngayon. Homer Se. Gary David guarded this time by Mark Pingris. Ang dami ng umusubok bantay dito kay Gary David. Short on that attempt is Arwin Santos. Magnolia's been getting the stops. Kaya nga lang, hindi sila makakonvert.
Almost a steal here by Gary David.
And Siegel goes back to the bench.
A rather short stint for Siegel. He's really not 100%. Halatang-halata yun.
Here's Lori Tugade looking for McCaskill at the post against Thomas.
Ang layo niya sa...
Hindi rin siya maka-atras. Hindi niya ma-atrasan si Thomas.
Ang layo nga niya. Basket. And there's a 3-point shot.
Sa TM3 for Lori Tugade. Ano yung timing ng substitution na yan, Only 2-point lead now for Air 21. Tugade has 16 points. Gary David against Pingris. Follow up by Homer Se. Wala pa rin. Rebound goes to Mark Pingris.
Pingris has become here the stopper against Gary David.
Daniel Defonso. Ayan naman. They've been getting a lot of fouls from this play, Posting up of Daniel Defonso. Going to be the fourth team foul, second personal foul for Homer Se. It's only a 30-second timeout here for Air 21 Express dahil lumalapit na naman po itong Magnolia Beverage Masters. Kanina pa po talaga kumakatok itong Magnolia. Their last taste of the lead was 6-0.
I think yung isang pag-uusapan ni Coach Bo Parasol dito sa timeout is how to contain their fouls.
Ayan po si Wesley Gonzalez ha. My Phone Dual Life player. Resto Bar owner rin pala siya. Yan ang ating My Phone Dual Life player. Hatid sa inyo ng My Phone, 2 SIMs, 1 phone. At ngayon, punta natin si Miss Peaches Abarin. May kwento about Wesley.
Yeah, you know, para sa Magnolia fans, it's actually Wesley's 28th birthday today. At sinabi nga niya ang wish na exact opposite na nangyari kanina during the halftime kasi ang wish niya peace on earth. Richard?
Aba, parang may gusto sumali sa beauty contest nitong si Wesley Gonzalez. World peace ang gusto. Turnover here for Magnolia. Happy birthday, Wesley Gonzalez. 28th birthday na pala ni Wesley.
Well, coming off that timeout, hindi nakapag-execute ang Magnolia. Turnover na naman. 24-second shot clock violation. Import versus import. No double team.
Wala, pero Gary David there. Active underneath the basket.
Nobody boxing out Gary David that time. Despite the presence of Pingris, Ildefonso, aside from McCaskill.
So Gary David continuing to pile up his points. He has 28. Ito, more active dito si Amal McCaskill.
You can see that he's moving closer and closer to the basket to get scoring opportunities, which is dapat niyang gawin. At least he's getting to the line, and now nasa penalty situation na ang Air 21 at ang Magnolia ni isang foul. Wala pa silang gini-give up dito.
Yung sinasabi mo nga kanina, no? Sunod-sunod yung naging foul ng Air 21 sa umpisa pa lang ng ating fourth quarter. And Magnolia can take advantage of this. 5 minutes and 45 pa ang oras dito sa ating fourth quarter. Alright, 2 for McCaskill. But Air 21 hanging tough. Ayaw talaga ibigay yung lamang dito sa Magnolia.
Actually, now it's a chance for Magnolia to go full court press because wala silang foul dito eh. Now they can gamble in going strong towards the ball in defense.
Another stop here by Magnolia. Ito ngayon si Olsen Rosella. Potential game-tying basket again in the hands of the Beverage Masters. Ito yung turnaround ni McCaskill. And McCaskill knocks down his 15th point of the ball game.
And that's a wide open look for McCaskill.
Nawala ng bola dito si Gary David. Potential lead here for Magnolia. Oh, a soft foul by
That's
Homer
a hard
Se.
foul on the face.
Oo.
Grabe yun. And Homer Se is going to be assessed a flagrant for sure. I don't know whether it's 1 or 2. But that was a hard foul on the face of Mark Pingris. You know, he's had a history of having a broken nose.
That's right. And Mark Pingris checking if his nose is still there. Ito, makikita natin ito yung fast break play. Panlamang na to ng Magnolia And Homer Se ayaw ibigay dito kay Mark Pingris. That's a hard foul.
Yeah.
If I ever saw one.
A smack on the face.
Well, Homer Se was never known to give up soft fouls anyway.
Oh, sabi ni Homer Se, inabi ko na ba foul ko eh.
Oo nga But ito, titignan natin kung anong klaseng penalty ngayon.